Hi everyone, it's Rich. We're just setting up with the NEC. We're here for the weekend, classic car show. Our club, well, a mixture of two clubs actually, is the Coventry aircooled and the flat floor fanatics. We've been doing this for 15 years odd now. It's a great weekend, loads and loads of money in the cars, except for our stand. Let's have a look, see what we've got so far. Usually we're the last to set up, and today it's getting on towards 5 o'clock. I'll show you in a second. I'll turn the camera around, but we're not going to disappoint this year. We're still not set up. 1 second. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, it's all set up along the wall, along the back. Yeah, there's a few people still coming in and out. Here we go. Let's turn around. Oh, empty space. Yeah, that'll be our stand. Completely empty. We have got one. Let's get down a bit. There we go. Wayne's brought his drag bus on. Don't know who talked him into bringing that, but yeah, it's going to be a great little showstopper. I'm sure it's going to get lots and lots and lots of people coming wanting to poke with their fingers and touch, and we'll have to tell them, can you get back a bit please? That's mental breakdown. Can be seen at Santa Pod. We've got Steve and Max helping set up when the rest of the cars come. Apparently John's towing the Beetle, which is lowered, and he's going to stick to about 20 apparently on the way. The reason we don't set up usually is because we're local. We're sort of 20 minutes away from the arena, so people tend not to bother until they've finished work, or they get off early and then bring a few cars down, whereas the majority of the other displays have a quick preview, have a wander around, split screen fan club. Yeah, the majority of everyone else have to come sort of all over the country, so they'll be putting up in hotels and they'll spend the day here. They'll get here really early. Some common gears. But yeah, so the rest of the NEC gets set up, all the cars get here, and then frantic stewards and NEC officials are saying, you lot, where's your cars? We're going to be shutting the doors in a minute and your stand's still empty. Yep, and that happens every year, but we don't worry. It's VWs, hey, laid back and all of that. So I'll switch the video off in a second. We'll have a quick show when people turn up. We've got John and Sam on the way at the minute. Sam's bringing some display stuff, John's bringing a car. Once John's brought the Beetle here, he'll unhitch it and go back for another one. And I don't know if he's got 3 to do today, but hopefully by 9ish we should have most of the cars here, and then I think they chuck us out at 10. So I think last year it was nearly 10. I think there was 5 minutes off shutting the doors and we got the last car in. But anyway, we'll catch you in a sec when the next car turns up. I spy with my little eye, I think we have an O2. Yeah.
And then we can unload John's car and get
Yeah.
it all sorted out.
Do you want to unhook it first?
It might help. Pulling tug of war.
So this be John. Johnny's patter from years ago. And this is the O2 Beetle off Beetle Crisis. We'll unhitch it, and then apparently I'm going to drive it in a sec, so catch you in a minute. So, one car in, one supercharged drag bus. one load of stands. Hello Sam. Sam's just arrived with some more stands and things. We'll leave it here again for now. We're going to leave Max, she's going to set up some stands, and we're going to go off and get the next car. I'm going to go with them so they can have a push. I'll catch you shortly. So here we are, secret location. Steve's car. Let's have a looky.
The interior is mint. It's full of holes.
It is. Some nice trim work. A little bit of a work in progress, but there you go. We'll see it better once it gets there. Oh, I can just about squeeze in here. And there we go. We'll be pushing this out of here, hooking it up, towing it there, and we'll see you in a bit. So, one thing we wasn't told about. Oh, yeah, careful where you walk in, there's a big hole underneath.
.52, isn't it? Yeah, I mean you drop it straight in here.
And we're here, just about made it. Knockers turned up, Smush and Claire. It's going to be on YouTube in a bit.
Oh no.
There we go. Oh, what's in the van? Have a peep. Oh, can't see. Okay, we'll have to wait. No steering? No steering wheel? No problem.
Either going this side or that side. I'll be gluing. Not fussed. Whichever way.
Is there another bus going there?
There is a bus going there, and then we've got a. It's like bus, beetle, 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 bus, bus.
Well, should we shove the blue one over into the centre first?
Yeah, can do.
And then,
Yeah, because that's got a steering wheel.
yeah. So we'll have some kind of sense to this when we get a couple more cars here. So the split is on the end. Apparently we've got another 3 to get in between there, and then another one to get in there. We shall see. Display boards going up.
Yeah, that's fine.
So time check. What's the time, Sam?
Will be 10 minutes past 8.
10 past 8. Oh, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. One's dropped out. We've got 2 more to come. Hopefully soon to fill this gap. I'm getting most of the boards up now. People just coming to stop. Have a look at the bus. So yeah, we'll carry on. Another couple of hours before we get chucked out, and hopefully we'll be sorted. Check back in a bit. Let's do a quick preview. No talking, just wander about. Hall 5. Everybody's still setting up. Said no talking, I'm going to talk now, aren't I? I recognise this one. So over this side is where they have sporting bears, dream rides. They have all sorts of classics. The owners donate their time and their car, and for a donated fee people can be a passenger. They're not allowed to drive them, but the owners will take them out. Usually test the speed limits a little bit, but get told off sometimes. Quick, round and round and round we go. I was going to say these are boring, but I know some people like box saws. I especially know one person that likes box saws. Sorry, James. There you go. So you just get spoiled coming here every year. They just like end up being, yeah, these cars, seen these, yeah, saw them last year, and the year before, and the year before that. Doesn't really wear off though. I'll do some more over the weekend, but for now we'll just have a quick scoot round, see what's what. If anybody's coming, come and say hi on the Volkswagen stand. And anybody not coming, obviously you can tune in. I'll be doing some more videos over the weekend. Don't know if I'll get time to edit them, which if you're not coming doesn't matter because you can watch them anytime you like. But if you are coming, say on the Sunday, and I get a chance to put some up on the Friday and the Saturday, you can have a look at maybe what you want to look at and find the right haul that it's in. Not much more at that end. That'll be the auto jumble up the back. Yeah, I used to have a Capri. One of the cars you've got to have at least once in your life. A Cortina. Well, that's Granada, isn't it? Yeah. Looks the same but bigger. Motorbikes. Don't know why I said that on a farmer accent, but there you go. Escorts. I used to have an Escort Mark II estate. I have to do it to my garden at one point, yeah. They're all rotten and overgrown, and I have to do some digging out videos around the garden. I think I've got about 20 cars left. I did used to have American muscle cars and all sorts, but they went in the world economic meltdown we had about 10 years ago, was it now? Yeah, sold all my cars, boat, houses. Not at the best money either, because obviously they'd all lost money. But I managed to still be here. So this is where we're starting again. Finally gonna get back in gear and be rich from broke. Hopefully we'll get there. Join me in my journey. Yeah, so the channel, it's not going to be all about cars. It's going to be about hopefully earning enough money till, yeah, you can have all these cars if you want. That's going to be about trying different income generating methods, YouTube being one of them, as I'm starting this one. First video this, in case you've not realised so far. I don't know when I'll be putting this on, but if you're watching it, this is the first one I've ever made, and everyone says all your early videos, they're going to be just rubbish. Oop. I'm going to be coming right back round to the start soon. Go. And back to our little corner. So when these next two come up, we'll so that'll be Jamie. Which side's he going? Should we do on this side, two buses together?
Can do, yeah.
Yeah.
Two buses on the end.
Oh. We've got another bay to get in here, so.
Okay.
So the last two have just arrived. That's Jamie from Machine 7. Everybody knows Machine 7. And this will be Lee from Volks Magic. Just get a little shot. A little promo shot. There you go. volksmagic.com. You'll see the bus as it comes in. Oh, we've got a bay. Low bay. Oh, no, it's not the right number. What year is it? Oh, is it? So yeah, and that's the last one. We'll get that in a second. So the last one. And yes, as tradition, we're last. But here on time. It's not shut indoors time yet, so they do moan usually. I think they're more stressed, like we've got an empty stand, but they don't moan. But I think last year they moaned. They wrote a letter saying, "Could you please get here earlier, thank you." So anyway, that's us. We shall have another look in the morning. I'm going to go home. Let me turn the camera around, say ta-ta. So yeah, we'll get this put on YouTube. I'll do the editing. Hopefully tonight we'll get it. What are we doing? Down one of these sides. Subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll put some more videos from the NEC over the weekend. Stay tuned.